My name is Darryl Pereira. I am the president of All Goa FMCG and Telecom Distributors Association. Today I just want to speak about a concerning issue that has happened here in Goa. And this is a SOPO collection that is happening in Margao. We started getting complaints from our members from end January that there are these people who are going around Margao and collecting something called SOPO from vehicles which are unloading goods for our members. These are members who have proper premises, legal premises, paying their municipal tax, paying their trade licenses, paying their signboard taxes, everything. And these are just vehicles that are coming to their premises to unload their stocks. So when we got this complaint, our Margao team went and met Margao, the chairperson in Margao municipality, and they told him that this is a problem for them because each vehicle that is coming to unload, they are charging 200 rupees. Now if I get a vehicle that is coming to supply me every second or third day, in the month itself, you can imagine how much I am going to lose. And this is over and above everything else that I am paying for. They said that they were assured that our Goan traders will not be affected and that we should not worry. But after that, continuously we have been getting complaints. And now I think it is time that we should be escalating this, and I am making this video to bring it to the notice of all concerned people that this is absolutely not acceptable for us. Why is this happening only in Margao? Why is this not happening everywhere else? That is my first question. Secondly, we are supposed to be having ease of business. We are touting, our chief minister is touting the state as ease of doing business. Is this the ease of doing business? That every small things that we have to start shelling out money for. Shelling out money is one part. But if my member says anything, immediately, forcefully, the SOPO collector gets another 4-5 people over there, makes a commotion, then starts abusing the drivers. So then they are intimidating those drivers. The drivers don't want to come to supply me. This is definitely not ease of doing business. So this is the second point that I have that needs to be addressed. And thirdly is that if this is not done anywhere else, we are not accepting that this can be done only in Margao. If for whatever reason they are saying that this is allowed, you show me how this is allowed only for Margao and not anywhere else. If this is not stopped, we are going to take this further, and we are going to come out, if need be, we are joining our Margao members and all the Margao traders to bring this issue to the notice of all the authorities, and we want this thing to be scrapped immediately.